This is an unboxing of something I'm really excited and looking forward to. When you have a lot of kids or grandkids like I do, you have messes. Children don't mean to. But these are going to solve the problem. So it doesn't matter whether I'm outside or shopping or in the backyard or in the house. These are wet wipe packages. Yeah, look at. They've got a strap where I can strap around the stroller or strap it on the edge of my purse. It opens so that you can access the wet wipes in here, and it's sealable so it keeps them clean. And here is where you put everything in, just like this. Okay, the other thing I really like about these ones is that I don't want to carry a great big huge wet wipe package around with me. So what I can do with these, I'm just going to open it like this. I've got 3 of them right here, 4 of them. Oh, yay! One more of that. It's a boy, it's a girl. Oh, that's fun. It's good for hunting. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. What I can do is I take a regular pack of wet wipes, which, by the way, they will dry out. So I'm going to open these ones, and here's what I'm going to open them with. Look. Don't freak out. It'll be good. Here we go. I'm going to take the wet wipes here, ta-da, like this, and I'm going to divide them into 4. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful idea, right? I have 6 kids and 16 grandkids, and all the grandkids, all I have to do is just have these packs, if we're outside playing, and hand them to their moms and dads, and just slide it in here. So I took that 1 pack that we'd be passing around, that bulky one, and I just popped it in here, and look. Ta-da! Pretty darn cool, huh? Nice, clean, neat, tidy. And again, this, you just click it in like this, and I can strap it on the edge of actually the deck, on the edge of the deck. I can put on a stroller. There's one of them. And see how fast I'm able to do this? And this one, because it doesn't have that little sliding thingy, you just simply grab it on one end and pull. That's that simple. I really like these. These are pretty awesome. There we go. Here's another one. Count how long this is taking me to do. While the kids are getting in the car or getting ready to go somewhere, I'm already in the kitchen and I have got it. And I go, this is for your family, this is for your family, this is for your family, this is for your family. And Grandma doesn't have to worry about taking this thing around. Which, by the way, like I said, these will dry out. Okay, you know what? Out of this is a 5 out of 5. I am really liking these. These are wonderful. I like the colors too. I like the fact that I have something really nice, quick and handy, that I can immediately clean up with.